What is a credit card deadbeat and how can it prevent debts? First, let's define what a credit card is and then what a deadbeat is. A credit card is essentially an agreement between you and a bank whereby the bank allows you to spend their money and you promise to pay it back on a certain date. If you don't pay it fully on the agreed date, the bank will add on a little bit more on the money you owe until you pay it fully. Some banks call these little add-on finance charges or late payment fees. According to Google, a deadbeat is a derogatory term for an idle, feckless, or disreputable person. When you combine the two, you get a credit card deadbeat. A credit card deadbeat is a credit card user who pays off the balance in full each month and on time, which prevents paying interests or finance charges on their credit cards. Calling yourself a credit card deadbeat has a positive meaning. I guess it is better we use the other terms for this, like a non-revolver or a transactor. You can also enjoy the perks of using the credit card like cashbacks and rewards while not incurring additional charges by paying the full amount. You save money by not paying the finance charges or late payment fees when you don't pay your bill full each time. And most important of all, you don't build up debt that will spiral out of control if you don't manage it properly. It's a bit of an irony being called a deadbeat when you're managing your finances properly and paying off credit card bills in full each month and on time. The opposite of a deadbeat or transactor is a revolver, carrying a balance from month to month and paying huge finance or interest charges with it. Just saying this makes my wallet curl up in agony. I don't think I can do this myself, just paying the minimum amount due each month. But there are people out there who do this. Maybe they are uninformed or not that financially literate. And that is one of the main reasons why we created this channel. We are trying to solve the problem by educating others about personal finance and credit cards. Share this to your friends and family who needs help in unburying themselves in credit card debt. Give them the fighting chance to improve their lives. Enough waffling. If you're one of the revolvers and wanted to switch sides, I salute you for being here. Here are the steps to make a successful switcheroo. First one is to stop charging anything on your credit card. We need to work on paying off the remaining balance first while not adding more to the pile.
What if I have more than one credit card?
You need to check which credit card has the highest finance charges and work on that first, then the second card, and then the third, etc.
What if I can't stop using my credit card? Like if it's used for my needs?
If you're using your credit card for your needs, you need to adjust your spending habits a little bit. If you purchase any needs on your credit card, keep the exact amount of money in your bank account for paying that expense and keep track of it. Use notes, sheets, or any other free app that you can install on your mobile phone or laptop. Please watch this video if you want to use the YNAB method of budgeting your money. The second one is to create a monthly paying off debt target. If you are having this kind of debt, chances are you're not a YNAB user. You can use an online debt payment calculator like this one, and then you can use this information. So once you have the monthly amount target to pay, track it using notes or sheets. The third one is to work on this target until you pay off the full amount. Rinse and repeat if you have more than one credit card. So for each payday, pay the target amount and note it down on your tracking app or notes or sheets. While paying off debt, start monitoring your expenses in YNAB or any other notes or sheets app by entering all your credit card transactions and reconciling them. Watch the YNAB deep dive playlist for more information about setting up and using YNAB. Monitoring and tracking your expenses will give you a clear idea where your money is going and provide you a better option for making decisions on your financial well-being. Once the credit card debt has been cleared, start the budgeting process in YNAB. I guess budgeting should be step 0, but here we are. If you are watching up to this point, congratulations. You are taking small steps, but steps in the right direction. And apologies if I keep talking about YNAB or You Need a Budget. This paid app changed my life and helped me budget my monthly income, build up my rainy day funds, and pay my credit card bills in full each month and on time and without any debt. If you want to know more on how to set up your credit card and adding the transactions and other useful tips using YNAB,